This is Ivor Lonnon, built by Peter Pete from Crazy Toys Workshop. We've got a Suzuki GSX 400 engine. Frame is a CB900. Front forks are RMZ 450. Rear swinging arm is XTZ 750. And is that the XTZ shock?
No, RMZ 450.
RMZ 450 shock. Fashioned in there in true Crazy Toys Workshop style. This tank is absolutely lovely. Honda 404 tank. This is Kawasaki AE50 seat. This is going to be a trail bike, Malle bike, whatever we can do bike. And Peter got his helmet on. He doesn't like the camera because he's shy. I like it. I'm out on this. This is a Pooch Condor. It's got a 70cc bar on it, which does make a tiny bit of difference. I mean tiny bit of difference. But this is what I'm going to be going out with Peter on, and we're going to have a little blast. Whoa! Oh my god!
Enjoy!
Here we go, test ride. Very slippery on it, I know that.
You fucking covered me! That was a wall of shit! Bad for a first off-road test?
Not bad at all. That was successful, I'd say.
It's a screamer.
It's a success. She's all dirty now. Good?
screamer.
What a machine. What a machine.